Today we're going to be exploring the law on rectification of trusts, and this is whereby the court can rectify a trust or another unilateral document which does not represent the true intention of the settlor. So we're going to combine theory and practice, and we're going to explore the legal principles of this equitable doctrine and what is required to construct a successful application for rectification. So in the webinar, we will be covering the following. We're going to give you an introduction to rectification as one of the 4 key equitable tools that are available to the court. We're going to talk you through the test for rectification, the evidence required to mount a successful claim. We're going to touch on the scope of the remedy. So we will speak briefly about some of the defences to an application for rectification, the approach in other jurisdictions, and also the procedure and some other practical considerations that you should be aware of when you're preparing a rectification application.
So in more modern trust deeds, you tend to see a power of amendment or powers of appointment, which can enable errors arising from the drafting of the document to be put right. This is obviously not a given, and we're all used to dealing with trust structures that were created many years ago where such powers are not in existence. And as Ashley says, where errors arise, one of the remedies that can be deployed is rectification. In the case of Allnut and Wilding, which is from 2007, the judge there provided quite a succinct explanation of the effect of a successful application for rectification. And it was said there that rectification is about putting the record straight. In the case of a voluntary settlement, rectification involves bringing the trust document into line with the true intentions of the settlor as held by him at the date when he executed the document. An application for rectification is likely to be successful where you have a document which does not give effect to the true intention of the person or people at the time when it was drafted. And the court has discretion to add in or to take away words that do not reflect those true intentions. Rectification will not correct a mistake between the parties as to the formulation of the transaction itself. Now, Ashley will come on to talk about that a little bit later on. An application for rectification is made by way of a Part 8 claim. So this is a friendly claim. It's supported by relevant evidence in the form of witness statements and exhibits explaining the nature of the application and the terms of the order that is being sought by the claimant.